how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do well to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
Kedi ihe omeni baza iji asị n'ụmụ ọnaga woye omenu ndị unu na-ahụ ugbu a bụ ndị na-ekpe ekpere na Adoration ground n'Umuchi Igbo Ijinike eme ngagharị iwe ugbu a maka mmechi emechiri ekpere na Adoration. Ya bụ mmechi bụ nke bishọp na-achị Enugu Diocese si na ama mkpeze ekpere onye bụ ngagharị iwe a unu na-ahụ ugbu a. Gwakena ihe eji na-eme ihe a kịta ugodu azini ngari wa na-eme maka ụfọdụ ndị aghọtachara unu anụga na ndị mmadụ si n'obi adịrọ ha mma na-emechiri ekpere Adoration maka na ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ si n'ebe a ka ha na-abịa narụ ọ na Umuchi Igbo dị na Ijinike n'Enugu steeti ka unu na-ahụ ndị na-abịa ekpere na Adoration ka ha na-ewe iwe si na emechiri ekpere na Adoration ground. Ọnya bụ ihe na-eme ebe a tata.
You must go. I don't know what he's doing. Others shall know what he's doing except me. Let him be posted as here. Because he never go again. Let him be posted as here. I need to journal you. Go and tell them. Let him be posted as here. Not to never go again. He's a madman.
ọ dị mma ebe a niile ana video mo ihe na nwe kwe mecha gbagba
I video ihe ka video leba
mbe video kwa m ihe
e
video ro m ihe
hotel bia
Nigeria is such a funny country. And you know what? You must give it to our politicians. They can do anything. They're so desperate. And they've gotten it more together than the people. But I'm so glad that right now, Nigerians, a lot of citizens are seeing through their shenanigans. And they're understanding how important it is for citizens to take charge of this country. I see a lot of people attacking Peter Obi and saying that his supporters are this, they are that, they are that. Really? The same supporters that you people trained? These supporters were in APC and PDP. You guys trained them. You guys insulted people. I can't testify to how many insults I've received. And the fact that they are now awakening, they have been emancipated, they no longer are in your PDP camp or your APC camp, and they are saying, no, as citizens, we can do this. And some of them, yes, the way they attack and all of that, they have to unlearn, and it has to be an unlearning process. And I see people who are coming out to say that, oh, Peter Obi should be responsible for all of these online attackers. How many of your online attackers that were attacking people were your principals responsible for? The people how many of them, Buhari, Atiku, Yemi Osibanjo, Nasir El-Rufai, you called them what? How many of them were responsible for? I know the number of people who called me prostitute, who were in the camp of Yemi Osibanjo, who we tag him and everything, in the camp of Atiku, in the camp of, what do you call this one, in El-Rufai, in Kaduna, and all of that. Oh, at that moment, they were not responsible. Now, all of a sudden, oh, Peter Obi should be responsible. Come on, people, just stop that. Anyway, citizens of Nigeria, this is a fight for survival. It's not anyhow. They say all hands must be on deck, and you must know that these people will fight dirty. They will do all sorts of things, and they will do all sorts of things. Anybody who is a candidate, we are holding that person accountable. We are not doing yes or yes man for anybody, but the truth must be said at any time, and we must ensure that as citizens, we do not allow the people who do not want the best for us be the ones to keep the narrative out the way the narrative will go. Shine your eyes, so.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.